Yo, what's up, everybody? So, yo, so what's up, everybody? Uh, I know it's been a while. I made a post. Oh my god. Yo, what's up, everybody? Uh, it's been a while that I posted, and it's just I've been busy with work, and it takes time to record. Like, it really slows down the process. Um, this is just a quick update video on my car. I wanted originally to record everything along the way as I go, putting the car back together. As you know, the last video a few videos ago, I put up of my car. I picked it up from the paint shop, the body shop. So yeah, I wanted to, just record everything along the way, and at the same time, I want the car out this year, and um, it's gonna take a long time, me doing it by myself, and especially recording everything along the way. So instead, what I just did, I had a friend come help me, um, to get things going much faster. And being that this is all new to me. I never put a car back together. Like, I never did any of that stuff. I guess you could say changing the Type S oil pump. That was probably like the most, I don't know, I guess the hardest thing I did. And it's not even that hard. Like, after you see the video, it's really easy, actually. I mean, obviously, because the motor was out, I was able to do it, and it just made things easy. So, other than that, I don't, I could do an oil change, basic stuff. But yeah, so I have a friend who's helping me, which I'm also waiting on right now, and yeah, it's just gonna take forever if I record as I go. And like I said, I want the car out this year. Like, the car's been out for 3 years, since October of 2016, and it's already about to be October and 2 months right now, or next month. We're already about to be in September, so I really miss the car. I want to take it out already this year, and well, I wanted to take it out, but I couldn't help it. I was waiting on stuff, waiting on parts, waiting on just waiting on it wasn't really me that I could have had control over it, but whatever. I'm not gonna get into that. But yeah, I have the cars now, so we just been putting it together, and yeah, let me just show you guys what's going on right now with the car. So I've been collecting parts for I guess about 2 years, you could say, and I thought I had everything. And as my boy came to help me out, I realized, I mean, I knew I was missing stuff, but I didn't think I was missing that much stuff. But I was missing quite a few things. So yeah, I mean, I've been collecting parts for about 2 years. Never posted it on Instagram or none of that. So I guess you guys are the first that's gonna see this. So yeah, I just wanted to get the car back together. My car's been down since, like I said, October 2016. So I just wanted to get the car back together and just post it when it's all done. So yeah, I can't flip this. I'm recording on my phone right now. I don't know, camera's acting up. I can't flip this. I gotta stop it, I guess. So I hope. All right. So here it is, guys. Here's how it's looking right now. The car used to just be I guess stock with bolt-ons, and I had the backyard special bumper, which is up there, and yeah, it's not I gotta get that painted. Yeah, so yeah, this is new, the Mishimoto radiator. I'm actually gonna relocate my battery here. Just the bracket, and this sprayed some bed liner on there. So this is this hood is the authentic Max Racing hood. Yeah, so here it is. Yep, here's how it's looking right now. Yes, that is what you think it is. I never thought I was gonna go turbo, but here it is. So I got I was just, I don't know how, it was just I was on Facebook and I just seen like a whole turbo kit put together. It was a whole turbo kit for the RSX somebody was selling, and I ended up buying it. I never thought I always liked the idea of going turbo. I never thought I was gonna go turbo, but yeah, this is, I ended up pulling the trigger. So yeah, like I said, I've been having these parts for about 2 years. Well, most of it, I just bought the throttle body, the sensor. But yeah, I'll go into more of a detail, I guess, video on my parts. But this is how it's looking right now. And yeah, this RBC, I gold plated it, and as well as you can see the bolts. These are Downstar bolts. So yeah, this is how it's looking right now. Figured I'd give you guys a quick update since I wasn't recording step by step everything back together. So yeah, I mean, it's almost done. Should be starting up soon, so hopefully I'll be able to enjoy the car before it starts snowing and everything. So yeah, car's not missing much. It's, I guess you could say, around 80% done. I need to get a new battery, wire it up down there, obviously get oil and coolant and all that, basic stuff to just be able to start the car. I need to make sure the brakes I need to bleed the brakes. I got a fuel pump, need to replace that with the stock one I have. Yeah, so I mean, here's how it's looking right now. I'm pretty happy with how it's looking. It's something I've been, like I said, keeping on the low for about, since the car was down. Like I knew this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to I resprayed the whole car, shaved the bay. I just wanted to go all out. So, but this turbo, this turbo, this was last minute. I didn't expect to do that. Pretty much my plans were to, fully respray the car, shave the bay, and obviously the wide body. And yeah, that turbo was extra, like that just popped up. So I thought I could just buy a turbo, slap it on, and it'll be good to go. But obviously not. People were telling me, oh, you should get a fuel return line, fuel return setup, and this and that. And yeah, I ended up going all out. So I'm hoping, I just want to do everything the right way. I don't really want to run into problems. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this update video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.